Using the pStyle successfully is all about placement and gravity. You can do it. I'll show you. The pStyle is made out of a sturdy, non-toxic plastic that won't collapse when you use it. Place the widest part of the cup directly under your urethra and tilt it slightly down. When you start peeing, gravity does the rest. Don't tilt the pStyle to the side and make sure it's centered directly under your urethra. If it's too far forward, you'll miss the cup, and if it's too far back, you might go out over the narrow edges. Don't get any clothing caught in the cup. That's not good. And don't tilt the pStyle too far down. That'll break the seal with your body. You can use the pStyle when you're fully clothed. If you're wearing pants with a zipper, all you need to do is unzip, go over your underwear, and place the cup. If you're wearing clothing with an elastic waistband, all you need to do is pull the elastic out and down, pull your underwear down, and position the pStyle. It's a little bit less private than pants with a zipper, but you can always turn your back or use your shirt to cover yourself. And if you're wearing overalls, just make sure they have a fly, like so. When you're done peeing, you're just going to tilt the pStyle a little bit more down and sweep it forward to remove any remaining drops of urine. If you want to feel extra dry, pack a Kula cloth. Cleaning the pStyle is easy. Just shake it vigorously and the mirror finish will shed most of the liquid. If you want it extra clean, you can rinse it with water or use sanitizing wipes. Then all you're going to do is put it in your case or wherever you're carrying it and carry on. Practice in the shower and then in a toilet, and then you're ready to hit the trail. If you have any questions, reach out to us. You got this.